So needed after such a freaking long night of editing yesterday's video. I do apologize if that GoPro was tilted a little high yesterday. I'll try to get that at the right angle today. Anyways, I hope everyone's having an excellent morning. If you didn't see yesterday's video, here is how the car is currently looking. Quarter panel done, doors, front fender, the roof pillar, that was all done in one sheet. Today I'm gonna just try to button up a few things I didn't do yesterday, like the mirrors, door handles. Kind of short on time today. That's why I'm starting out so early. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's supposed to get super hot later on today anyway, so it's gonna work out perfectly. Let's start with the mirror. I'm gonna try something a little different. I saw CK Wraps doing this, or maybe it's premium. You basically lay vinyl across here and heat it up, kind of pull the mirror through, and it's gonna like just shrink it right onto the mirror. Let's give it a shot, see how it works. If it doesn't work out, I will just do it the old way that I've done it before. Let's grab this mirror. We need to get this thing cleaned up with some isopropyl alcohol. Once again, it's already clay barred. I clay barred everything yesterday that I was gonna wrap. So if you haven't clay barred your stuff yet, go ahead, clay bar it right now before you use isopropyl on it. If you didn't see yesterday's video, that's what it is, 70% isopropyl alcohol. I'm not going to use any knifeless on here just because there's a crack everywhere where I can run my blade. So that should work out fairly easy. That one's pretty big. This one here should work wonders. Yeah, that'll work good. Like I said, I've never tried this before, so if it fails, full sned, right? Peel that off. Bang, 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 bang. We're gonna be needing a good amount of heat for this boy. So go ahead, lay some heat down on this vinyl. Shall we give her a shot? Basically, I'm just gonna pull it right through. Well, I guess it's a good start. It's not exactly what I envisioned would happen. Alright, I'm gonna rip this vinyl off. One thing I didn't really do, and I know I should have, is pre-shrink the vinyl. Meaning, basically, peel the backing off and heat it up, and it'll kind of shrink a little bit. And then I'll put it on the car, and then heat it up again, and it'll have like double the stretch factor, basically. Good thing we got a lot of extra vinyl here. All these extra spares. Alright, let's try this again, boys. Let's give it a shot. That, I could have eventually got that to work properly, but I don't think it would have held for very long. Everything is starting to get stretched really far in places. Attempt number 2. I'm gonna cut a bunch of this extra vinyl off real quick, just because there's so much on here. Alright, it's all done. Time to post heat it, and then we're really done. Being that there's so much curves on this thing, I'm really laying some heat on this to make sure it's not going to lift up at all. Here's done. Let's get her on the car. Nasty looking. I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with my little door handles here. I think I'm just going to keep them white, honestly. I could wrap them, but number one, actually it'd be really easy to wrap these because there's a black little piece that comes off on the backside, but it's just going to take more time, and I think they look really good just plain white. What do you guys think? I could always pull them back off. It takes like 5 minutes each to pull these off, so if I don't like them, I can pull them off, rewrap them. But for now, just throw them on the car and move on to more fun stuff to wrap, like the hood or the trunk. Alright guys, the door handles are on. I think they look absolutely amazing in white. The mirror is on, looking super fresh. That turned out 100% perfect. What up, what up, what up? Before we move on with this video, I have 2 important announcements to make. Number 1, let's go ahead and pick the winner from the video 2 days ago, or 2 videos ago, I guess it's probably like 3 or 4 days ago, for that Supreme toe strap. Who's gonna be the winner? So there's 107 comments on this one, 107 unique comments, that is. The winner of this giveaway, Double Cup J. Double Cup J, my man, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll get this actually camo. I don't know if that's in regarding the brake setup or if that's regarding the wrap I'm doing on the car. Either way, I guess I don't really know. You're the winner, bro. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Now, number 2, I know a lot of you don't even know I have a website, but I do. So Boston.com, you can go on here and cop a lot of stuff. Homepage looking nice and fresh. We got Evo die cut stickers, FRS die cuts, posters of both cars, air fresheners, shirts. We got a few more things coming soon. Stay tuned on the channel. I'll obviously update you guys when more stuff is in stock. So yeah, guys, this is always the first link in the description box below. Shipping is super cheap on here as well. If you have any comments or questions regarding anything, just come down here, click that contact us. Let's get back to wrapping. Next thing I'm gonna do is the top of this trunk lid. So I need to split this thing right down the middle with knifeless tape. And then, should I run knifeless here? No, I'll probably just trim that with a knife. That'll be super easy to do. This can make a 10-second job, honestly. It's gonna be super nice because I'm using this duck bill as like a split between top and bottom. So I can throw a separate sheet down there. I'm gonna try to find something that somewhat lines up with this here. I mean, obviously it doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll see what we have. I feel like that would line up decently. I mean, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, I want it somewhat matchy. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and cut that real quick. All right, how are we going to split this thing down the middle? I'm gonna grab a tape measure and a tiny pen. Just go from the top, go from the bottom, and just measure it out, I suppose. I don't know how else to do it. That's at 47 and a half, 23.75. Perfect, right at 50, that'll be easy. 25, all right. So I got my 2 little markings that I'm gonna line that knifeless tape up with. Bam. That looks pretty damn good to me. Let's measure it out. 23.75. Flawless, boys. Flawless. I always like to throw a little bit of heat on that knifeless just so it doesn't lift up at all. Now let's grab a clean towel with some isopropyl, wipe her down. You guys know the drill. You guys know the drill. All right, I'll do my best on showing you how I go about using the knifeless tape. So find the end of it, about where the knifeless is running, cut a little slot like that, or a little slit in the vinyl. Then we're gonna find the end of it, make sure the vinyl is pressed down tight around it, and then we're gonna simply put our finger here, make sure the knifeless is straight, and snap it off like that. And then peel that green back a little bit, tug on it, and that should start the cut. As you can see, nice solid cut. Then you're gonna want to grab this green line out of there, and then there will be one under the side of the vinyl as well. Make sure you get that out before you press down on the vinyl at all. You don't want to get that thing getting stuck up in there. And that's how it's done. Press that down, and then obviously hit it with some heat when you're done with it. See, that lines up somewhat on there. It's not too bad. Done. So let's bang out the bottom section of this trunk now. The same exact concept as the top that we just did. Measure it out, get the knifeless laid, slap a sheet of vinyl on there, go from there. Easy enough, yeah? Let's get it. All right, that trunk's all finished up, looking absolutely amazing. Now I think I'm gonna move on to the rear bumper. That's gonna be one of the more difficult things, so I figured I'm not gonna save all the hard stuff for last. What we have left right now is the rear bumper, skirt, front bumper, and the hood. The hood is gonna be really easy, just like the trunk was, but that rear bumper, on the other hand, is gonna be a little more difficult. So let's get to work. Damn, that looks absolutely insane. So freaking pumped with how that bumper came out. First shot, not a single flaw in that whole bumper, guaranteed. All right, dudes, that is it for today. It's like 12 o'clock now, so I've been at it for a few hours, a little more hours than expected. Like I said in yesterday's video, or the other video, maybe it was 2 days ago, that I'm just really taking my time on this thing. I want it to turn out near perfect, just like the FRS did. So I'm just taking my time, enjoying it, enjoying the process, and obviously it takes a lot longer to film everything as well for you guys. So I hope you are enjoying it as well. If you are, go down below, smash the thumbs up button, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. This car is gonna look absolutely insane when it's done. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we finish up this wrap job.